Please join me to this song, my favorite song.
Sorry.
Heartily and lovingly dedicated to my only mahal.
Swing gentle breeze whenever we say goodnight. Falling like when you're out of my sight.
Rain follows me, even in my bed, and rain is the tears that I shed.
There'll be no sunshine in my life until you say you're mine, oh mine. There'll be no summer, spring or fall. Each day is like winter time.
But I can never say I care. I know it won't be smart. Somebody owns your heart. It can never be mine. So it rains when you need, knowing we can't even touch. Rain knows that I love you so much.
But I know that my love will only cause you pain. So I'd rather live with the rain.
There'll be no sunshine in my life until you say you're mine, oh mine. There'll be no summer, spring or fall. Each day is like winter time. But I can never say I care. I know it won't be smart. Somebody owns your heart. It can never be mine.
There'll be no sunshine in my life until you say you're mine, oh mine. There'll be no summer, spring or fall. Each day is like winter time. But I can never say I care. I know it won't be smart. Somebody owns your heart. It can never be mine.
Somebody owns your heart. It can never be mine. Thanks
Thank you
for
so
joining.
much. Good afternoon.